what's up, y'all? It's D. About to react to this video about top videos. This is top 5 loudest sounds of Mother Nature on camera. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be like thunder on here. What else is really loud sound? I don't know. Lightning, thunder. Is that the same thing? I feel like it's the same thing. No, it's not the same thing. It's not the same thing at all. So lightning and thunder is gonna be on here. We're gonna see what else is gonna be on here. Let's watch. Rock slide. Oh shit. Damn, somebody would got fucked up if they was right there. Sperm whale. The sounds are so loud they could kill a human. I don't know what DB means. That's wild. I didn't know that. I knew lightning was gonna be on here. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh shit. That's scary. Volcanic eruption. Nature is scary. It be some scary shit that's happening. Oh shit. I'm surprised thunder wasn't on here. Thunder is pretty loud. Oh shit. Hey, that's scary. Nature is scary. That's why I had to get, that's one of the many reasons I had to get out of Texas. But they had tornadoes, which used to freak me the fuck out. And it would be like nearby to where I was at. It would be like, oh, tornado alert or whatever. I was like, I'm the fuck up out of here. And the thunder there was so loud. I've never heard thunder that loud till I moved to Texas. Like, it was so like deafening. Like, it would wake me up in the middle of the night. Like, why the fuck is this shit so loud? And they say that, oh, California has earthquakes. Literally, I don't remember the last earthquake I experienced. And I do. I was in the Bay Area, and it was a slight little earthquake. It just moves bed a little bit for like a few seconds, and it was over. I have not been in like a serious earthquake in all of my life of living in California. So it's literally like super rare. But anyway, this was an interesting video. I want to watch more nature type videos. If you have some cool nature videos or science videos, let me know so I can react to them. Be nice to throw that in the mix. I like nature and science and shit. But yeah, let me know what y'all thought about this video. Let me know what other videos you want me to react to, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!